Hi friends, today I want to share how to create a beautiful thumbnail for your YouTube video and totally free. So if you are a beginner, then this video will best for you. Okay, so at first we go to canva.com. Okay, this is Canva. Click create our design, then click YouTube thumbnail. So this is a blank surface, blank page for our design, and there are use template, ready-made template. Some are free and some are paid. We can find by category as you like. I search technology. So technology related thumbnail is here. This is a thumbnail. This is another. So if I find cooking, cooking related, all thumbnail is here. So you can use it. These are totally free and totally professional. You can change the picture and this text also. See, if you write special, so you can use another font. I think this is okay. So we can edit special fish cooking. Okay, please like us. Okay, special fish cooking. So you can change the picture if you want. You can change. This is okay. Share and download, and you can use this for your YouTube channel as a thumbnail. So you also make yourself, like this is a blank surface, and now create a background color. I think I like to choose this. Okay, elements and line and shape, see all. Okay, okay, this color will be red and this is rotatable. Okay, okay, I think this will, okay, that will be great. Okay, and red, that will be great. Okay, and now I will go to text, add a heading. Now write thumbnail making, add another text, write with another text like Canva. Click here and okay, now wait, that will small Canva. think making not need. This thumbnail is okay. Thumbnail with Canva. I think this is okay for us. And that color adjust. Okay. Okay. Now share, download, and download. Okay. This is our thumbnail. Okay. Thank you very much.